Finding the right wallet address or the right token address that you want to send your coin to can be a lot more difficult, especially when you don't know exactly what to do. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the wallet address of the particular token or coin you want to exchange with or send coin to on Binance, and it's just a simple thing. So watch this video to the end because I have some vital things to say in the middle of the videos or later in the video as the video goes on, so that you don't lose your coin, because most persons lost their coins as a result of getting the wrong piece of address or something. So stay to the end. And you're welcome to my channel once again. This is Amuri Barona Monday. If this is the first time you're stepping across my channel, you are very much welcome. I appreciate you. Please do it. Just subscribe and stay tuned to the end of this video. Like this video and share to someone, because I make videos on forex, cryptocurrency, and whatever business hacks that will help you grow in your financial lives or help you, solve your problem, in real life. All right. So if you've been here and you've been my subscribers, I really appreciate y'all. We are growing together and we all are going to be achieve our aims and become financially free. If you're already financially free and you are here because you want to learn something new every day, don't worry, I got you. I'll be teaching you something new every day. So let's just dive right into you. Most people lost their coin and then lost their token based on the fact that they send their coins to the wrong address, or send their coins to the wrong token, or send one token to the wrong one, or they send it on the wrong network. If you are new here, all right, if you watch other of my previous videos, you discover that I've talked about token and what token, the difference between token and coin, and then what we call network. Every coin exists on network. So there's a way, which means that there's a way you can actually send your token and then you lose access to it, and then you get to lose it forever, no matter how much it is, the quantity is, and the broker, sorry, the exchange itself or the wallet provider may not be able to help you, because all these things are just minor instructions that are laid down within in a very small piece of section of the site that you may not even notice. And I'm making this video so that you get so versatile with this whole thing, and then get to transact fast and knowing that everything you're doing is actually very correct. So now this video is specifically how to know the wallet, how to find the wallet address of a particular token or coin on Binance. All right, so let's just look at it. So guys, all right, by now I assume you have a Binance account, and this is my own Binance account, and I'm already logged in, and I'm using this account for the purpose of this tutorial. So if you don't have a Binance account in whatever country that you are, please check the link in the description. I'm going to provide it to register for a Binance account. All right, so I'm using my desktop right now. I'll show you this on a mobile and how this look on a mobile and how it works on a mobile phone too, because I believe majority of the people accessing the internet today are using mobile phone. So let's look at it on the mobile phone. This is how it goes. So you see this, sorry, on the laptop, you come here, go to wallet, and then if you click overview, it will show you the overview of your wallet. No matter where the coin you have exists, either in the P2P wallet or in your entire wallet, you will see everything in this overview. All right, so while we are looking at this, you can see a notice here that says from 19 August, which has already passed, P2P wallet will be integrated under the funding wallet. All right, P2P wallet will no longer be used, and all P2P transactions will be conducted via the funded wallet. Timely update will occur during this integration and is estimated to be completed by the end of this year. Wow, it's a new development. All right, so here where we're going to is we are going to, when you click on this, click on fiat, or even from that overview we can get whatever you want from there. So Binance has some list of cryptocurrency that that exist, and a whole lot of coins. If you scroll down, you see even some coins that you don't even know exist. So if I click next, there are a whole lot of them. You can trade with most of them, and you can convert with most of them. So to find the one that you're looking for, the wallet address of the one you're looking for, is always a bit of difficulty. All right, so let me use the popular one that just got added that you guys are familiar with, and that's the Shiba Inu. So now you click on this deposit. Now click on deposit, and then now it will take you to a section where you have to select the coin you want to deposit. All right, now you have to search the coin here. For me, I'll have to search Shiba. Okay, this looks so different on the laptop. On the laptop it looks so different. All right, so if you click on this section here, you can see fiat and spot deposit and withdrawal. So it means you want to deposit like fiat currency, or like USD, Australian dollars, United States dollar, Canadian dollars, or all of those fiat currency. All right, so from this overview here, click on deposit, and from there you can choose either you want to deposit crypto or you want to deposit fiat currency. All right, so you can see beneath here, you can see buy crypto with card, buy crypto via P2P. All right, there are two different things. Buying through P2P is just limited, like all this rare crypto that I showed you earlier on, like all the Shiba Inu cannot be bought through P2P. You won't see them on P2P. So, and this video is we are just looking for the address, so this one doesn't apply. Buying with card may not apply to. It doesn't even apply for those living in Nigeria, because buying cryptocurrency with card is banned here in Nigeria. So you click on deposit, crypto deposits. All right, so now here is where you choose the coin you want to deposit. For me, let's say, like for the deposit, I will say Shiba Inu. Now you search this, there's a search button right there, search Shiba Inu, just the way I've just done. Now, having searched Shiba Inu, please, this is the most important part of this video, and this is where most people make a lot of mistakes. You click on this network. Is either you're depositing it on Ethereum network or on BEP2 network. Talking about network is just like a section of the blockchain, like a track on the blockchain where your transaction goes through, and where your transaction gets verified on. All right, on a layman language, or to explain it simpler, if you're moving from here, let's say you're moving from point A to point B within a geographical region. Let's say you're traveling, or you're moving from point A to point B. Now, there are different means of transportation. Let's say I'm in Port Harcourt right now, and I'm moving from point A to point B in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Let's say I want to move and I need a ride. All right, definitely I won't be using my foot, because it's a long distance. All right, then it's either I take a boat, or Uber, or I take a taxi, or I enter public transport. Now, note these things. These means of transportation, their fees are totally different. So we are moving from those distance. All those transport fees, they are different, and they are different companies altogether. So this is just what network refers to. So let's continue. Now, whoever that is sending you the coin, or if you're sending this Shiba Inu to yourself, if you're sending it from let's say an exchange, let's say an exchanger, most of the time exists on Ethereum network. If you're sending it from, let's say, Trust Wallet, mostly Trust Wallet, be sure that it is on either on BP2 network or ERC networks, and you will see that just by the side of the coin. You just see that by the side of the coin, whether it's on BP2 network or ERC network. So Let me say I'm sending from my trust wallet and it exists on BEP2 BEP20 network. So I click on BEP20 network, and now you see here I have to just copy the address. This is the address, or I can scan this QR code. All right, and then I've acquired my address. Once I hit deposit, you will see the Shiba Inu will come in, so long as I deposit it through the right network. So it's just as simple as that. So you can do that to as many coins as possible. Let's search out for other coins. Let's say we are looking for this particular token right here. Even if I don't know it, fetch. All right, click here, choose the network. Let's say this one, you're depositing on an Ethereum network. Click here. You see the address. You make sure that the where you're sending it from, it is on Ethereum network. If someone is sending you the coin, let the person know that they are sending you the coin on Ethereum network. All right, so that your coin will be successfully deposited. So let's go over to mobile phone to see how this whole interface look on the mobile phone, because this whole interface looks so different on mobile phone. It's so different, and you won't believe how it looks. It's totally different, and it's much more easier and sleek from mobile phone. Alright, so on a mobile phone, this is just as simple as ABC. It's just the same thing. Let me log onto my account here on a mobile phone, and then we'll just begin. All right, so click here, and then you see the same process. Now on the mobile phone, what I just have to click, I can click deposit, or if I go to spot and then I click deposit, it still means the same thing. All right, I can still choose between fiat and crypto, and you know I'm never going for fiat because I can't deposit with fiat currency right here. All right, so I'm definitely going for crypto, and you can see a whole lot of coins. This wallet has been busy. All right, let's see, search the same, use the same example that we've used before. Shiba Inu, click on Shiba Inu. Now on mobile phone, you can see it's automatically on ERC network. So be sure that when you send people this, you uncheck this and to this, that if you're sending from BEP20 network, that if your coin has this little BEP20 network attached to it. All right, and how do you know if your coin is on BEP2 network, like especially when it's on Trust Wallet? Now this is what you need to do. Now let's say we are talking about Shiba Inu. All right, Shiba Inu. And how you know if your coin is on BEP20 network? What you just have to do is, let me say for instance, go to your Trust Wallet, and let me go to my Trust Wallet. All right, we are on this Trust Wallet right now here. Let's search here. Let's search Shiba to see if it comes up. Now when I just search Shiba, now can you see that this one here is on BEP20 network, and this one here is on ERC20 network. So this is just how you're just able to figure out which of your coin is on ERC network or BEP20 network. So you just make sure you don't make the mistake. So anyone that is enabled and that has crypto on it, if you're using Trust Wallet and you're able to send that coin using what do they call it, Binance Smart Chain, that's BNB Smart Chain, then your coin is on BEP20 network. But if what the network fee you are paying is Ethereum, then just know that it is on Ethereum network. So I believe you got this right now. So thank you for watching. If you watched that video and if you've come to this extent of the video, I believe you really understood all the different parts that I've mentioned to you in that video. It's just as simple as ABC, but a slight mistakes can cost you a whole lot. All right, and that's why I always advise, whenever I'm teaching about cryptocurrency, I always advise users to stay to the end of the video, because every point in time is very important within the video. So why not subscribe to stay tuned to more videos like this? When I make more content like this, just subscribe, stay tuned, and then share my videos so that our community can grow and as much as possible. So uh see you in my next video.